Welcome back to AI-LabDemo. In the first video, we introduced you to the exciting world of AI. In this video, we'll go a little deeper into understanding what AI, machine learning, and deep learning are, and why they matter. By the end of this video, you'll see how these technologies are reshaping the world with real-life examples. Let's jump in. First up, artificial intelligence, or AI, is the umbrella term for machines designed to simulate human intelligence. Picture a chatbot answering your questions. Basic AI in action. Next, machine learning, or ML, is a specialized area within AI where machines improve by learning from data. Think of Netflix suggesting shows you'll love. It learns from what you've already watched. Finally, deep learning, or DL, is a subset of ML. It uses neural networks inspired by the brain to handle massive data sets. Technologies like self-driving cars and Google Translate rely on deep learning to function. It's like the rocket fuel of the AI world. You can think of it like this: AI is the big picture, ML is one of its tools, and DL is the advanced version of that tool. Pretty cool, right? AI is everywhere, and it's changing lives. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa help us with reminders, weather updates, and even controlling smart devices. Self-driving cars like Teslas use AI to analyze their surroundings and make decisions in real time. In healthcare, AI-powered algorithms are detecting diseases earlier than ever before. Social media platforms like Instagram use deep learning to auto-tag photos and curate feeds based on your interests. These are just a few examples of how AI is shaping industries and solving problems. Imagine what's possible as the technology evolves. To sum it all up, AI is the umbrella machine. Learning helps machines learn, and deep learning takes it to the next level with neural networks. With real-world applications from self-driving cars to smarter healthcare, the potential is limitless. Tomorrow we'll roll up our sleeves and set up your AI environment to start building your own projects. It's going to be hands-on, practical, and fun, so don't miss it. Don't forget to subscribe and share. See you in the next video.